Hi and welcome to Ignite. It's great to be with you all today. As Jens mentioned, we are going to through period of historic, economic, societal and technological changes. But for all the uncertainty we continue to see in the world, one thing is clear. Organizations in every industry are turning to you and your digital capability to help them to more and less so they can navigate to this change and inner stronger. You are the change agent. You to make doing with more less task and less complexity in more innovation, more agility and more resilience. Doing more with less doesn't mean working harder or longer. It's not going to scale. It means applying technology to amplify what you can do and ultimately what is organization can achieve immediately today consistent. Over the past few years, we talked extensively about digital transformation, but today we need to deliver on the digital imperative for every organization. It all comes down to how we can help you to do this Microsoft Cloud. No other cloud offered the best category product and the best system solution. And that's where we were focusing on at Ignite this week. We walked through the 5 key imperatives. Let's dive right in. It's all start inspection layer and how we helping your build agility and optimize your business with Azure. Moving to cloud of this best way to align your IT investment to scale demand that you can do more with less. We see this clearly in our data. Moving to Azure to enable cost and operation efficiency. And we want to help you leverage this saving, accelerate your own innovation. Azure is the only cloud that supports all organizations and all workload and from enterprises to startup highly regulated industries. Azure is old computer. We have made 60 data regions connected on 175 millions of fiber, but it does not stop there. We want to help you deliver the power of Azure anywhere. That's where Azure comes with. Azure is extended Azure platform, so you can build application with Azure services that run can across premises, edges, and multi-cloud environment. As the Kubernetes adoption takes off, you can use Arc to run containerized application with AKS on the Azure Stack ACI, Windows Server, Windows devices, Windows IoTs, enable custom experiences across the Azure in premises edge. And we will enable to AKS and on the even more platform going forward. We also want to help you modernize in your implementation from the approach system level approach starting with compute or new Azure VM with Ampere Ultra ARM based processor operate at highest clock speed of any ARM based processor available in the cloud today or more cost effective and power efficiency without compromising on performance. With new premium SSD with 2 disk storage, we offer most advanced general purpose block storage solution available designed for performance critical workflows, SAP, OTL, TV that consistently need sub-millisecond latency combined with iPods. Just think about how critical this is when you are large SQL searches database that need consistent disk access. And with the new Azure Elasticsearch, we offered the industry's first cloud-native, fully managed storage areas network service. It offers massive scale and enables customers to assembly congestion their same data is able to cloud without having to refactor their application architecture. When we say the trusted computing platform for all organizations and all platform, we mean it. Azure is the only cloud provider enabled highly regulatory industries to bring their most sustainable application to be cloud. Azure Confidential Computing can help protect data while in use that makes protect and isolate code and data in zero to trust environment that customer can prevent evil. Azure as the cloud provider from general access. We provide the broadest and deepest set virtual machines, containers and service provided by the latest competency capable CPU from Intel and AMD well confident GPU from NVIDIA. We continue to expand our Azure confidential computing portfolio. We confident VM node pods and enable seamless lift shift of the Linux container workloads and confidential VM option on both Azure Virtual Desktop and SQL on Azure VM. I am also excited to announce the preview of the Azure Managed Confidence Solution Framework which allows developers build deeply and manage highly sensitive multi-party applications. Calstone, the largest global Finder network, for example, are using open source framework confidently share training data across the asset management industries on the one common infrastructure and develop new digital investment. We are seeing customer in the every industries. We confidently computing capabilities today from F5 utilities inside that risk. I think about managing customer keys, signal for protecting, customer contact detail, RBC for correction partners data with a credit card transaction, fire blocks for secure blockchain based access and transaction tracking, and Australian startups Carbonix asset solution which is using Azure confidential ledgers in ensure carbon credit data collect remain secure and temporary, giving buyer confidence. Now let's turn data. With our Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform, we provide complete data fabric. We from the operations stories, the analytic engines to data governance. So you can spend more time creating values, less time and managing the data state. Our goal is to provide you with the most comprehensive data platform. You don't have to resist with the complexities, building and operating cloud scale data in production yourself. Analytic alone overs an intelligent data platform Cuscal, 59% less cloud analysis out there. And today we are going to even further. When it comes to our operational database, Azure Custom DB will know support distribution relational data with support for native processing SQL. This offers the best offer for scalability and high performance SQL and the familiarity of the relation databases. When it comes to analytic, Azure Synapse organization can put their data work much more quickly, productively, much securely generating insights from across their hybrids and multi-cloud data source. We are offer box connected Azure SQL, Cosmos DB data servers, and we are working with our partners deliver more like connectors for even more hybrid and multi-cloud data sources. And with a Synapse data explorer, we offer best class solution for real-time analytics. We can realize streaming data in near real times. Finally, when it comes governance, all of this operational and analytics capability I just talked to about it, fully integrated with Microsoft Views. With the purview, organization can scan, categorize, lineage, trace, configure data management and access policies across their entire data estate. And we know this is team sport. You will hear more Rowan about how we are working across our entire partner ecosystem to ensure category leading solution are deeply integrated with every talk about. Now let's talk about second impactive delivering efficient automation in AI. When it comes to doing more with less, AI is ultimate amplifier. It's going to change what the application looks like, what design language of application is, and how it's get built, how it's get delivered. We committed to making the promise of AI real for you. We're doing for this responsibility. We build a next generation supercomputer in Azure that being used by OpenAI as well as customer like Meta to train some largest most powerful AI models. Azure is provide almost 2x higher computer throughput per GPU near linear scaling through GPU thanks to world-class networking and system software optimization. And for in-production, Azure is a more cost-effective than other cloud, delivering up to 2x that performance per dollar. Azure will also offer best tools across the machine learning lifestyle, from data preparation to model management. Data scientists and machine learning engineer can use Azure machine learning, build, train, define, operate large-scale AI models at scale. Azure is also best platform for PyTorch. At Ignite, we are excited to be launching Azure Container PyCharm, bringing together latest PyTorch version with the best optimization software for training and implementing all tested optimization for Azure. We are helping to build responsibility with the tools like our responsibility AI dashboard, which help you to evaluate performance fairness of your model. We are ourselves along with our partners. We are using all of these capabilities to train state of AI models. We are seeing exponential progress. Their practical capability are the real inflection of point. We are trained during the languages, understanding Z code for translation across the 100 languages for police breakthrough visual recognition. The other massive things that we are doing is our work with OpenAI. We train GPT family of models for human-like language generation, Dolly for realistic image generation, editing and codecs for code generation in more than dozen programming languages. But it's not enough to talk about this model. It is all about applying them and turning this back through the capability for you, which is I will say excited to have OpenAI co-founder CEO Sam Altman and with here today. Hi Sam, hey Satya. Sam is where together no working for air over air. In fact, I think last time Ignite is when I first announced Azure OpenAI service right here, and this state of art model like GT3 models coming together with the interesting capability of Azure. AI is excited to see many customers, SUSB, PWS, Sales, Wipro are already applying these models pretty advanced scenario, content creation, code generation. I was wondering, Sam, if you seen some commercial scenario that you seen excited for them. Oh, thank you, Satya. Real. Microsoft Designer. But we will only amplify what is we can do, but also argument our curiosity, creativity, imagination. Design is personal designer generate, provided by AI models with just account included Dolly 2. It creates new designs that were never seen before and that you are uniquely yours. Consider how useful this could be. For example, small is not for your create images and content for social media posts, invitations, graphic and much more. We can start typing just few words and with just that design immediately generate template for you, and based on what you write you can get custom image based on your ideas. Then you don't need to spend time creating new design on your own or searching through thousand premium template. You as you tell designer what you like, design become toiled for you. One more click and you design get it to share and share. You can share however you like. It's pretty fantastic. We bringing power DALL-E 2 designer not just for our own app, it is also our new large creator tool. Being Edge for your well illuminated searching for images that are already exist on your web. So on you are able to turn on one word image you want to see. But it goes beyond that. We envision in this world wherever you are, no matter that profession have experience like this for everything they do. That is include sales, that applying conversation intelligence, via scales, transition customer trends, automatically identify highlights and critical follows, and better customer dynamic 365 using same capability to help seller identify new opportunity and suggestion next close deals. They also open these modules and build software, which brings to third imperative: innovative with the most comprehensive cloud developer platform. With GitHub Copilot, we are applying code suggestion in the entire function real time, right from your editor, natural language to promote into coding suggestion. We draw context from the code in you are working on, finish the line you start event suggest entire function. We also be rapidly along the some functionalities I am shown to compile it. Just like Rise compiler and interpreter, we believe AI system coding. We fundamentally change the nature of the software development, giving developer new tools, write better code easier and faster. And for user Copilot and already write 40% of code, it develop are able to code more than 50% faster. They tell us to feel more infilled, less frustrated in coding, and ultimately able to do more less. And real not stopping it with a new functionality. We are throughout GitHub Copilot Labs, like explain code with place block of code and we got display in English, which let's select translate and code into the We are sharing a lot more about our plans, GitHub Copilot, GitHub Universe next month. We would think about the future of building software innovation, building a great application experience everybody's job in this organization. 70% new application we will lower code and no code by the 2025, 20% in 2020. We turning a low code in no code with the power of AI. We bring in the same principle and capabilities behind Copilot to Power Platform. With expert design and Power Apps, you can even upload and download and keep working with the app within seconds. It start that easy. It describe what you want to do is with natural languages. Power App will generate relevant Power EX parameters that you choose it. The code is will write itself. And we are going to even further bring AI capability to Power Automated. You can describe what you want to automated generation, support plot, jump start your flow creation, and all that left for you to simple to state connector and finite flow designer. It's never been easier for you to build workflow and automation. The bottom lot like this cannot about professional developers in your organization who are building these new capabilities for you. It's about empowering everyone. Thank you about your domain expert, your developers for AI deliver business values. They can't disconnect it. That's why I am energetic for AI builder, which makes simple to add intelligence, application and workflow of your build. You can use probability models, common business scenarios like analytic universes, processing or deep customer models. Today we are introducing the new AI builder capabilities included feedback loop, which retrain models continuously improve performance and accuracy. One of the most common use cases we see AI surfacing the right contents at the right time. How do you take the massive amount of any organization, proposal, contract, presentation, designs, legal document, and use AI to bring it into the flow, well work business process. Today we is introducing Microsoft Syntax, which uses AI building and power automation capabilities, automatic read and tags index, all volume of context and new intent with needed. Syntax include AI powered summarization, transition and summary assembly automation features, and it's of course it integrated Microsoft 365 Teams. Take a series of PDFs on Word document, foreign languages, for example, translate and intensity instantly. Open the translating document, syntax can summarize it, providing highlighted and links into the most important information. It's pretty fantastic.
Thank you so